Are you tired of the hassle and frustration that often comes with finding reliable transportation? Look no further. My Ride Link is here to revolutionize the way you travel. Whether you need a ride for a daily commute, a special event, or an out-of-town trip, our website and mobile app make it easier than ever to connect with professional drivers and get where you need to go. In this guide, we'll show you how to use My Ride Link to its full potential and ensure you always have a ride when you need one. Why choose My Ride Link? Reliability. Our network of professional drivers ensures you always have a dependable ride. Convenience. Book a ride in just a few taps on our mobile app or a few clicks on our website. Affordability. Competitive pricing means you can enjoy high-quality service without breaking the bank. And of course, safety. Our drivers are thoroughly vetted, ensuring you feel secure every time you ride. How to get started with My Ride Link? Step 1. Sign up. First things first, you need to create an account. Visit our website or download the My Ride Link app from the App Store or Google Play. Click on the Sign Up button and fill in your details. It's quick, easy, and free. Step 2. Set up your profile. After signing up, set up your profile with all the necessary information. This includes your name, contact details, and preferred payment method. A complete profile ensures a seamless experience every time you book a ride. Step 3. Booking a ride, car rentals, or food and product deliveries. 1. Open the app website, log into your My Ride Link account. 2. Enter your destination, type in the address or location where you want to go. 3. Choose your ride, select the type of vehicle that suits your needs. Whether it's a standard car, an SUV, or a luxury vehicle, we've got you covered. 4. Confirm your booking, review your ride details, and confirm your booking. You'll receive an instant confirmation along with the driver's details. Step 4. Enjoy your ride. Your driver will arrive at the scheduled time and location. Enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride to your destination. Don't forget to rate your driver afterward to help us maintain our high standards of service. Step 5. Payment. Payment is straightforward with My Ride Link. At the end of your ride or when you receive your delivery, you can make a secure payment on the app or website for the service requested. Chip in to support us enjoying the journey. Love our service? You can chip in to support the development, marketing, and support staff to help expose My Ride Link to the world. Use PayPal or Cash App to make your contribution and help us grow. Ready to experience the ultimate ride? Sign up now. Questions? Feel free to reach out to our support team. We're here to ensure your journey is smooth from start to finish. Support us PayPal or Cash App. By following these simple steps, you'll see why My Ride Link is the top choice for travelers everywhere. Experience the difference today. Visit www.myridelink.com to get started. Thanks for your support.